Hi guys, so this is a quick Starlink availability update from their availability map, and we'll see which areas in the world, mainly also looking at Zimbabwe, are now able to order their kits. Let's go. So if we zoom out of the world map, we'll see that there are some parts which have not received Starlink access, and there are some parts which are said to be starting in 2025 in a darker shade. So that means expect Starlink access anytime this year, and you can now order in your country. Then in some parts of Africa, there are also parts with the light blue. Where there's a light blue, that means it's available, the service is available, and you can actually order in those places. So actually in places like Bulawayo, etc., it's actually available. You can actually order when you are living in those places or in those areas. And then in places like Harare, it's still sold out. In some parts, even parts surrounding the CBD and places like Marondera, etc. However, I'm sure this will become available anytime soon. So just watch the space. But if you are in a place like Bulawayo, you can actually now just order, as you can see from this screen, and actually order your Starlink mini kit. And they've added an option for installments. This was added quite some time ago, and I'm sure you might have seen this or heard this from other people. So this is actually quite a good thing, because you can actually order your Starlink kit in installments in any area in Zimbabwe, and you can get it where it's not sold out. So it's worth noting that Starlink availability in Zimbabwe has improved internet access to a greater degree, especially when we are looking at things like reliability, speed, and cost. So are you going to buy a Starlink kit? I'm waiting for your comments.